from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have some Austin Healey steering wheels. An adjustable one here, non-adjustable, and another non-adjustable one here. You see this non-adjustable steering wheel is a bit bent and the spokes have come away from the rim. Quite common. The welding's never very effective. In fact, we found some that haven't been welded at all, and obviously corroded in a rim there, and the boss, the paint's flaking off the aluminium boss there. You see there's another one here, typically cracked and distorted plastic, and again needing restoration. The adjustable ones, of course, have the adjustable thread here to compress the steering column onto it. Same sort of issues with the corrosion and the welds at the ends of the spokes here. But we remove all the plastic, remove the corrosion, re-weld the spokes, and then cast a new rim like this one here, which is a fully restored steering wheel. This is an Austin Healey non-adjustable wheel, as you can see. We strip and recoat the boss there. The moulding comes out with all the original grip prints there, and it's a nice durable hard black finish. But that's Austin Healey 106 and 3 litre steering wheels.